Ever wondered if your Wi-Fi router could see through walls or track your movements? What if it could measure distance, detect gestures, or even sense your heartbeat, all without any extra hardware? Today, we're diving into groundbreaking research that's turning everyday Wi-Fi signals into powerful sensing tools. Let's break down how this works and why it's reshaping the future of technology. Here's the catch. Wi-Fi isn't just for streaming videos or browsing the web. It's also a hidden sensor network, bouncing off objects and returning to your router. But extracting useful data from these signals isn't straightforward. Think of it like trying to decode a conversation in a crowded room. Signals are weak, interference is everywhere, and the hardware wasn't designed for this. The core problem? Two major hurdles. First, Wi-Fi devices can't transmit and receive at the same time, creating phase errors, like a heartbeat signal that's out of sync. Second, the antennas for sending and receiving are so close that they interfere with each other, drowning out subtle motion signals. It's like trying to hear a whisper in a storm, where the noise is the signal itself. But here's the breakthrough. Researchers are using standard Wi-Fi hardware to overcome these issues. They've developed 3 key techniques to clean up the signal. 1. Time offset cancellation, synchronizing clocks to eliminate delays, like aligning a metronome to a master beat. 2. Phase alignment correction, adjusting signal timing to ensure consistency, like tuning a guitar to match a reference note. 3. Coupling mitigation, blocking self-interference so real-world motion signals can shine through, like silencing a loudspeaker to hear a faint echo. And it works. In tests, this approach achieved centimeter-level accuracy in measuring distance and speed. Imagine tracking a heartbeat, detecting a hand gesture, or even monitoring breathing patterns, all by analyzing Wi-Fi signals. This isn't science fiction. It's real, and it's already happening with the devices you own. What does this mean for you? Picture a smart home that knows when you're asleep without cameras, a health monitor that tracks vital signs wirelessly, or AR/VR systems that respond to your movements with precision. Even more exciting, this tech could revolutionize autonomous vehicles, warehouse inventory systems, or fall detection for the elderly, all without adding new sensors. But how do they filter out the noise? Wi-Fi devices inherently hear themselves, creating a strong self-interference echo. Researchers use advanced algorithms to subtract this static, like turning down a loudspeaker to hear a whisper. This allows the system to focus on moving targets, whether it's a person waving their hand or a car passing by. This isn't just about better Wi-Fi. It's about transforming our existing infrastructure into a smart, invisible sensor network. As 6G rolls out, these techniques could turn everyday devices into sophisticated sensors, blending communication and awareness seamlessly. The future of sensing might be hiding in plain sight, right in your home network. So next time you stream a video, remember, your Wi-Fi isn't just connecting you to the internet. It's quietly sensing the world around you. And that's just the beginning. Stay curious, because the next big breakthrough could be in the signals you've already been using. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Wi-Fi's hidden potential, hit subscribe for more stories about how everyday tech is shaping the future. See you next time.